Hey, Saidu here. Now, Cisco made some major changes to their certification and training, which will start on the 24th of February next year. So let's have a look. Now, currently, these are the ccna certification that are running. You have the ccna cloud, you have the collaboration, you have the data center, you have the. Now, what Cisco plan to do is to have all these ccna bunch of ccna certification to be condensed into one single certificate, and they give it the title of implementing and administering Cisco solution, which will also be carrying the certificate number of 200-301. So alongside this new CCNA, Cisco announced the commencement of Cisco Certified DevNet Associate, which is also a new certificate for software developers or software professionals. So the new CCNA, which is the implementing and administering Cisco solution, will entail a topic like network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, and automation and programmability. Now, these are the content that Cisco believe that as an associate, you should be able to have this within your tool set. The other announcement that Cisco made, which I'm very much excited about, is they announced that if you complete any current CCNA certification before February 24, you will receive the new CCNA certification and a training badge in the corresponding technology area. Your certification is not obsolete; it's still recognized by Cisco. Now, this new Cisco certificate, that is the DevNet Associate certification, Cisco said it is the first of its kind at Cisco. Literally, yeah, everybody will agree with that because Cisco are known to only focus on what the configuration of network devices and all that. So, but the DevNet certification program validates the skills of software developers, DevOps engineers, and other software professionals. Now, how would one become DevNet associate? Now, it consists of one single exam that tests your knowledge of software development and design, which include the understanding and using of what APIs, the Cisco platforms and development, application development and security, and the infrastructure and automation, which is very much enriched in content. So the CCNP track also faced some minor changes, I would say, or major changes too. So these are the CCNP track that Cisco is running currently, but they have strike out some CCNP like CCNP cloud and wireless and all that, but they maintain some, and they even include the Cisco Certified DevNet Professionals, which now to earn CCNP Enterprise or any of the CCNP track, you pass two exams, a core exam and an enterprise concentration exam of your choice. Literally, when you select something like CCNP Enterprise, you have to pass the core exams and then you choose any exam, because in the CCNP Enterprise certification, you have like seven concentration exams to choose from. Other CCNP like the CCNP security have like six concentration exams to choose from. So the core exam is also the qualifying exam for CCIE or for any of the chosen track. So this is thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, these are my references. I got all this information from this site, so you can visit them to read more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.